So, what is the meaning? Next topic is business process outsourcing (BPO). BPO is abbreviation is business process outsourcing. So, introduction of business process outsourcing. BPO is basically the outsourcing of work to some third-party services provider in order to save money, while KPO is subset of BPO only. KPO includes more knowledge based on specialized work. In addition to this, there are many reasons that company may choose KPO service over BPO. So business process outsourcing is a business practice in which the organization hire another company to perform a task that the hiring organization requires to operate its own business successfully. So, what is the meaning of BPO? BPO is a subset of outsourcing that involve the contracting of the operation sense and responsibilities of specific business process to third-party services provider. BPO refers to the outsourcing of peripherals activities of the organization to an external organization to minimize cost and increase efficiency. So, actually, what is the meaning of business BPO? BPO, business process outsourcing. Business process outsourcing refers to setting a business task accomplished through an outside agency. So, from the outside agency, it will get done the work from outside agency. Business process outsourcing is more popularly known as a BPO call center, which provides a communication to the customers. Like if you purchase, suppose if you purchase a one mobile, so from the Samsung you purchased a mobile or Airtel. So it is a biggest company, Samsung or Airtel. They have a biggest company, so purchase the Samsung, and for this we have customers have some queries, so Samsung cannot take care of the queries from the customers. So what they will do, they will give a service to the outside agency. Outside agency they will give a services to, that is called a call center. So for the queries, BPOs, this call center will provide us a information. What are the queries we have? They will resolve those queries. So all the companies cannot maintain this kind of give a queries, entertain customers queries. If you have a ICICI bank account holder, you are a account holder of ICICI bank, so for the information for anything, for the any information, debit card information, credit card information, what are the loan facilities, what are the facilities they, what are the schemes they are for providing, these things we won't get it from the bank. So we can, if we call, if we call to the call center person, to the ICICI call center, then they will provide a more information. Like suppose we have lost pin code of the password, pin code of the ATM card. So what we have to do, we have to raise the complaint and can contact with the call centers. And we have a mobile network, we have a Airtel mobile network. So Airtel, we have a problem, that problem is going on, internet package package, how much is going on, and what is the data, how much they are providing internet. For any queries, like we need to call for the call center. These call centers are providing us information and resolving our problems. And these call centers are working 24 by 7. 24 by 7 in 7 days they are working all days in a 24 days and 7 days week, 7 weekdays they will work. Anytime you can call in the midnight of the 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, you get the service from the call center. And this is about the BPO. And next, so these will increase the revenue of the company from the call center. How? If we are with the Airtel mobile network, suppose we are with the Airtel connection. So if the we are keep on calling and calling and asking the survey queries for the customer care, but they are not responding, means so suddenly what will come to in our mind, we should change to the network that will come to in our mind. So if the Airtel company call center is providing and entertaining the queries of the customers, so this will introduce this will revenue the will be this will make us to continue with the Airtel network only, because they are providing a good services to the customers. And from this, if the customers, more customers are there in a Airtel, means this is a good revenue for the company. This is the BPO, and this is how call centers are working. And next is, so what are the advantages of the BPO? Advantages of BPO: the productive productivity improvement. Educated or skilled people perform the task efficiently and thus improve productivity. Like I said that on Airtel network, and any, like ICICI Bank, or any services like any washing machine services, for everything. If it is like a LG, any companies, they will be having a one call center to entertain for the customer queries. And BPO enables optimum utilizations of scarce resources and reduction in cost. Cost saving can be significant to any business. BPO not only helps to reduce a cost but also increase the productivity and increase revenues, and improve human resources. And improved human resources is another great advantage of a BPO. Outsourcing gives a company the ability to get access to skilled and trained manpower at low rates. These are the BPO's disadvantages. And now we'll see what are the disadvantages of BPO. The communication problem. First, communication problem will arise, and there can be communication gap between the client and the vendor companies due to misunderstanding and miscommunication. And different time zones. The client and the vendor operate in a two different time zones. So that the difference in time can create many problems during the online meeting and communication. So both companies are working in a different time zones. Like a company is working for 9 to 6, and a BPO is working for a 24 by 7. So at that time the shift time will be there: morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift. So these are at night shift. So they what time it will there will a gap, there will be a gap arise, and communication problem will get. And loss of control due to communication errors, time difference, client company can at time lose control of the project. So these are the disadvantages of BPO.